Hello students. So today in this video lecture we have to discuss the third section of our unit number 5, that is pressure measurement. So pressure measurement is very important, and we already discussed which transducer we are using for pressure measurement. So here the piezoelectric crystal is generally we are using for pressure measurement, but remaining another some different transducers are also there for pressure measurement, and how it is carried out, pressure measurement is carried out, that we have to discuss. So let us start. The pressure sensors, okay, in any given plant the number of pressure gauge used is probably larger than all other instruments put together. So this is also very important, why university added this pressure measurement as a separate section in this transducer section, because in any given plant there are lot many pressure gauges, okay, pressure gauge which is larger than all the other instruments put together. So that is how that this the importance of pressure measurement sensors is. Okay, so lot many pressure sensors are used in any plant, any industry, because everywhere we need to measure the pressure. Okay, so it may be a gas pressure likewise. So what is the definition of pressure? It is the static pressure, that is P is defined as force per unit area. Pressure, this we already know in 12th standard, that pressure is defined as force per unit area. That is this one. The pressure here it is F1 and here it is F2 likewise. So this is the definition of pressure. So pressure can be used to measure other variables such as flow and as well as level also. So pressure plays a major role in determining the boiling point of the liquid. So that's why that pressure sensor is used in the industry, or in any plant. Pressure measurement sensor is used. So these fluids exerts a pressure on the on the containing vessel, and equally in all the directions. So to measure whether your liquid is boiled or not, the temperature of your liquid, particular liquid. So for that purpose we are using this pressure sensors also. So there are two methods to measure the pressure, that is the mechanical method and electrical methods are available. So yes, here how we are sensing the pressure. So see, this chart is helpful here. So pressure, it is a physical quantity. By using sensing element we are sensing the pressure. After that, suppose the sensing element it creates a displacement, then we are using transduction element to convert that particular pressure or physical quantity into any other quantity. It may be mechanical quantity, it may be electrical quantity. Suppose you convert it into electric quantity. After that we need a signal conditioner. Okay, what is the use of signal conditioner here? Because sometimes what happened, the change in pressure is suppose very high, but the change in electric quantity is very low, that you can't measure. So for that purpose we need a signal conditioner. In the sense it may be amplifier also, signal conditioner, it may be amplifier also. So by that amplifier will increase that signal, and we are getting voltage or current at the output. That is nothing but what? Pressure sensing. That is how we are sensing the pressure, and this pressure is converted to your electric quantity, that is voltage or current, through signal conditioner. Signal conditioner, remember here it is it may be your amplifier also. So there are different pressure measurement method, that is manometer method, elastic pressure transducer, pressure measurement by measuring vacuum. Next one, electric pressure transducer, that is piezoelectric crystal that we discussed, and pressure measurement by balancing forces produced by on a known area by measured force. So this is the typical manometer we are using to measure the pressure difference by balancing the weight of a fluid column between the two pressures of interest. Okay, so this manometer you already studied it in your 12th standard. So P is your unknown pressure, PO that is your ambient pressure, rho is the fluid density, and G is you already know this 9.8, H is your fluid column. So by using these many quantities, you can measure the, by using manometer you can measure the unknown pressure P. Okay. Next one, elastic transducers are also there. That Bourdon tubes are, and that we already we have been discussing this Bourdon tube from previous 2-3 video lectures. So that Bourdon tube is also, it is nothing but an elastic transducer. Okay, which is used it uses a flexible element as a sensor. As pressure changes, the flexible element move, and the motion is used to rotate the pointer in front of the disk. So elastic in the sense, as the pressure changes, that flexible element is also changing its position, and based on that, this motion this motion is used to rotate the pointer, and that is nothing but you are converting that pressure quantity into mechanical quantity here. After that, the sensing element, it may be the sensing element is used to sense the pressure. Okay, so this Bourdon tube type of pressure gauge, see here, this is nothing but a typical Bourdon tube used to measure the pressure gauge. And yes, um, so this Bourdon tube, when the pressure, see here, this is used to measure the pressure. This pressure is applied here, and based on this pressure, your Bourdon tube is changing its shape. Okay, it is using that elastic material. So because of that, as the shape it changes, the cord is connected to the free end here. Okay, so this cord is connected to the core, and as depend on pressure, as it changes its position, your core is also changing the position like upward and downward. So it is nothing but LVDT, and this LVDT will convert this displacement into output voltage or electric quantity. That is nothing but your Bourdon tube. So this type of the Bourdon gauge is available like this. Okay. By using diaphragm also you can measure the pressure. So yes, like this. And some resistive pressure transducers are also available, which are changing the resistance whenever your piezoelectric crystal, whenever you are applying the pressure on it, it will directly give you the voltage appropriate to the pressure transducer or the applied pressure. So see here, electric pressure transducer. So electric pressure transducer, like this, you have sensing element, transducer, and pressure detection circuitry and pressure indication. So as we already discussed, the electric pressure transducers are piezoelectric pressure transducer, capacitive pressure transducer, inductive transducer, strain gauge pressure transducers. So strain gauge pressure transducer, it is they are changing the resistance, and here also change in resistance is used for measurement of the what we are calling as pressure. So piezoelectricity, as we already know, the piezoelectric crystal, it is a quartz crystal. Okay, so that typical crystal will directly give you the output voltage V, electric quantity, whenever you are applying a pressure on it. Okay, so that is nothing but the piezoelectricity. Same here like this. So this is a typical piezoelectric crystal, and whenever you are applying pressure, you are getting the voltage. That is we want. That's why it is called as active transducer. Okay. So yes, that's it for today. This is nothing but the end of our unit number 5. Thank you all of you. See you soon.